Crews are hard at work now clearing roads of ice and snow for drivers. Now, a lot of the focus early is on the major streets and highways, but what about those secondary roads in areas farther away from Charlotte? Queen City News reporter Matt Stell finding out what's being done to help residents living in those areas.
You got to get creative getting out the driveway, like especially people who got heels. Definitely a little headache. Can't really go nowhere too much.
A good reason to stay inside, especially here in Union County, where secondary and residential roads like this one are still pretty icy.
You would think trucks, bigger tires, they could just get up there like they even have a little struggle getting up the hills.
And that's the case for a lot of Charlotte's surrounding counties. NCDOT representatives say interstates and NC routes remain their biggest priority, hoping that the sun can help out more as the week goes on.
If you have secondary roads where there are a lot of shaded areas, a lot of foliage where the sun might not directly hit the pavement or, cause a lot of direct light to fall, the melting might be pretty spotty, and so you still might have a lot of icy spots.
Officials say 15 crews are working around the clock in Union County, treating and plowing roads where possible.
It's an all-hands-on-deck effort still, but this is not a one-day thing.
But NCDOT spokesperson Jen Goodwin tells us the current situation in smaller counties is also somewhat of a catch-22.
When you get more traffic, sometimes that interferes with the plowing operation, but sometimes when you do get more traffic, that helps with melting. So it's difficult to plow when you have a lot of traffic out there, like we encountered on Saturday.
And the question a lot of people are asking, does NCDOT have enough salt and sand in storage?
We have enough, and we are continually in contact with our suppliers and vendors to make sure that we can restock and have more on hand for anything that might happen next.
In Union County, Matt Stell, Queen City News.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.